I'm Meg. In this video, I'll show you how to add your products manually to Droplo. If you're a new Droplo supplier, you can add your products through the verification page. In the fifth step, just click on the button Add Products Manually. You can also go to the main menu, where in the Products category, you can find an option called Add Product. Both options will lead you to the same section. You can place here full product description. This page is divided into 7 smaller fields, which helps to navigate. In General field, you should place product name, description, and language. In Product Status field, set if the product should be displayed in Droplo catalog right after you upload it into your account. The third section requires to upload a product photo. In the Details field, you have to place a producer and match the product with Droplo category. You can also add the SKU or EN codes. Another important field is called Price. Here you can choose currency, net and gross price, and tax for the product. In Shipment field, set what type of sales you accept. Do you sell per piece or in collective packaging? Share the information about the current stock, your logistic minimum, weight of the package, and the time for the order realization. In the last section, place the product measurements. If you want to share even more product information, use the Add Field button in the Additional Fields section on the bottom of the page. Then, you will be asked to determine the name and value for the new product characteristics. When you finish filling the form, save the changes. Now you should be transferred to a Product List tab, where you can see all your previously saved products. Each product can be modified at any time by using the Edit Product button. You can also preview or delete the product from your list. Now you know how to manually upload your products to Droplo. Thank you for your attention and see you again in another Droplo tutorial. Bye!